Here is a wonderful 2018 INFINITI QX80. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Spacious luxury and rugged capability are yours in this handsome QX80. 3-row seating, advanced entertainment and safety tech, a suite of premium creature comforts, and brawny VA power make this commanding SUV your go-to for family adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, 3rd-row seat, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power liftgate, fog lamps, 8-cylinder engine, blind spot monitor, alarm. Add a big dash of luxury to every adventure in this refined QX80. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.